The number of COVID cases continuing to rise dramatically tonight across Western Mass, including in Springfield.
A mask mandate reinstated earlier in the week in the city. Home test kits distributed to teachers just over this weekend. But local leaders say more still needs to be done to slow the spread of the virus.
Long lines of cars as hundreds wait for hours at the Eastfield Mall COVID-19 testing site. The crush of cars so heavy, police shut down the line early on Sunday and Monday. By Tuesday, people began waiting in line before sunrise, hoping to beat the rush before the site opened at 7 a.m. With resources stretched to the limit, local leaders say something needs to be done, and done quickly.
I think that if we can have an additional regional center here in Western Massachusetts, particularly in the general vicinity of Springfield, for our surrounding neighborhoods and communities, I think that would alleviate some of the congestion.
Gonzalez would also like to see expanded staffing and expanded hours, making it possible to test more people and easier for those who can't make it during the current limited times of operation. But ultimately, he says there's a need to get more people, especially young people, vaccinated.
We're hoping for people to understand that the COVID is real. It's impacting younger people at alarming rates now, and that we're hoping that they could move forward into the vaccination era.
It's a sentiment echoed by Bishop Talbert Swan, president of the NAACP of Greater Springfield. Swan concedes it may be hard to convince some about the vaccine.
We've been doing vaccine equity work. We've been educating the community. We've been going door to door, encouraging people to get vaccinated, checking on the status of those who we interact with, and providing education. There's a lot of distrust, particularly in the African American community.
Swan says results from the door-to-door education efforts in Springfield neighborhoods have been mixed. But with continued effort and outreach, more people are choosing to get the shots.
Our folks are dedicated to the task, and hopefully we're making an impact.
Representative Gonzalez says he's working with local pharmacies to assist with community-based testing and potentially enlisting testing agencies to help staff a new regional test site.